guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you the BelleTress Sugar Rush style. This is a layered long style with heat-friendly fibers, so you can add curls and waves to this style. It has a 100% hand-tied sheer lace front, a hand-tied monofilament top. Sugar Rush is full density. This wig weighs 5.2 ounces, which tells you all of the density that you get with this style. And I'm excited because I have Sugar Rush in the new BelleTress color, Red Penny. So we'll be taking a closer look at that as well later in the video. Well, let's get started. Sugar Rush features temple to temple, sheer lace front with a scalloped edge. It is 100% hand tied, as is the single layer monofilament top. On either side of the wig cap are velour adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted to allow air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the slender velour nape are these buckle or bra-like adjustable straps, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Here is Sugar Rush in the color Red Penny. Is this not a gorgeous long layered style? I absolutely love the long fringe in the front, which feathers off to the sides. It's just a very flattering style to most face shapes. Now the cap size on Sugar Rush is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, which is exactly my head size. Now this style fits me a little snug right out of the box with the adjusters on the loosest setting. So I don't think that this style would work well for someone whose head circumference is larger than 22 inches. The fiber is heat-friendly synthetic fiber, very high quality. It has a silky smoothness to the touch. Look how it flows, just like European human hair. I really like the BelleTress heat-friendly fiber. The heat-defiant fiber means that you can add waves or curls to this style using heat tools up to 350 degrees. The lace front is made of scallop trimmed temple to temple sheer lace, very well done, suitable for all skin tones. The lace front gives a very natural looking hairline appearance, as does, look at how natural the monofilament top parting space looks. It's 100% hand tied as well. Now this is a monofilament top, so it can be parted left, center, or right. It comes out of the box parted towards the left. Let's part it straight down the middle to see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that parting space. Very nice. I mean, I don't like a super wide parting space, but I would like the parting space to be wide enough that it looks like a natural part, and BelleTress just accomplishes that goal. So here's what the style looks like with a center part. Let's part it on the right. Again, just loving this parting space. Very natural looking. Now if you're trying to part a synthetic style and the fibers just don't want to lay in the direction that you need them to, you can take a steamy washcloth after you make the part, press it on top and hold it for a couple of minutes. That will help the synthetic fibers lay in the position that you need them to. So here we are parting it to the right, and that's something we may need to do if you want to keep it parted to the right, because the fibers are a little ornery here. But boy, The fibers are so easy to comb through and work with. Here's what it looks like, parted to the right. Let's take a look at this gorgeous style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love the layers in the back. This style gives you natural movement and lots of volume. Right side. The measurements on Sugar Rush are 7 inches here at the front fringe. The sides are 12 inches long. The back is 19 inches long, and the nape is 13 inches long. Overall, the length is approximately 19 inches. 5.2 ounces is one of the heaviest wigs that I have reviewed in quite some time. It doesn't feel heavy to wear. Let's talk about this gorgeous new color, Red Penny. This is bright copper that's highlighted with apricot and a natural blended light brown root. The root on this color is lighter than a 6 or an 8, just to give you perspective. So if you like a brown root that's not too dark, this is a rooted color for you. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. You have plenty of styling options with Sugar Rush. This style looks beautiful, tucked behind the ear. I showed you earlier what it looks like with the part moved left, center, and right. So you get 3 distinct looks, just changing the part. You can also wear this style in a ponytail. Sugar Rush looks beautiful in a low ponytail. The style also looks really pretty, just pulled off to the side like so. And because you have this very realistic sheer lace front, you can use a headband to wear this style off the face. You could also use a barrette to wear the hair back off the face. Using a claw clip, you can also place this style in an updo. Pull it back, give it a twist, secure it in place. Now this is a very quick and easy updo on a hot summer day. If you're interested in purchasing Sugar Rush, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry Sugar Rush in all of the beautiful BelleTress colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the home page on the website, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and Wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. If you wear Sugar Rush, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is free. You just click the red button across from the title of this video and you'll be subscribed and you'll receive alerts every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, a how-to video, giveaway, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.